Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update or install drivers on FUJITSU Celsius laptop. To update or install drivers, simply go to the settings for the first method because there are gonna be two. So I'm gonna get to the settings and update and security, and in Windows Update you'll have an option to check for updates. I've already done that, so they will start downloading and installing, and some of them may have a status pending restart after that, so wait until everything gets downloaded and installed and later on just restart it, so you just don't restart in the process where some other ones are downloading. Just don't interrupt that, and most of the things will get automatically installed, but if something didn't, then go to view all optional updates or just optional updates. It may be named differently, and wait a moment, and in a moment there's a chance there will be some driver updates, and if there are, then install only the ones that you actually need, which means that, for example, if your microphone works but the camera doesn't, then you should only get the camera driver since the camera doesn't work, but the microphone should be left updated automatically without the optional update section, because it may actually make it not work anymore. Now let's go to the second method, which will be going to a browser. Okay, I'm just gonna go through that. Okay, and now let's get to the Fujitsu driver website. So just type in Fujitsu support, and now I think that here it'll be just fine. Yeah, no, I don't think so, but you should just get to a website that actually makes sense, I think this one will, but Fujitsu really doesn't have a good understandable website. So let's go to the downloads. You may try going to support.ts.fujitsu.com and going to downloads, honestly, but yeah, I'm gonna reveal the downloads menu, go to select a new product, then you can do a automatic product detection or serial number, and the serial number is on the bottom of your device on a sticker that's on this photo, so you can find that. But I think I may try the automatic product detection because I just don't want to flip the laptop over right now. And the automatic product detection may also help me later with identifying which drivers I need to install. There's a chance it will just work like that. So yeah, I think it should be installing the driver for the automatic detection. I think I opened the file. Now it's opened, I think. Yes, and honestly I don't know what it does, but maybe I can just... Let's click on downloads here. Yeah, it may help me. Well, I'm not too happy with this website. Let's click on that button. No, it doesn't do anything. So unfortunately I need to enter the identification number, but I have it in the app, so I don't need to actually flip the laptop over. But also I cannot copy that, so I just need to type that right in. B016565. Okay, and now I think I have it. Let's click on continue. Now there's an automatic update, or you can select the operating system. And if you don't know which one you have, you should simply go to the settings. The optional updates are still loading. That's weird. I'm gonna close the settings because I think they might have just freezed. And to check your system version, go to settings and system, then scroll all the way down to about, and you'll find it. I have the 22H2, the newest Windows 10 version, so I need to select that. It says that Windows 11 is supported. I don't think it is, so it's quite weird. Now you have all the drivers here for whatever you need. Like, for example, the touchpad doesn't work, feel free to download the driver for it. But it works in my case, so I'm just gonna try to get the fingerprint sensor. I didn't even know this laptop has one. But okay, let's get that. Maybe it actually has it. Maybe on the power button. That's cool. And you can see there are 2 updates, but they are a different version. So I'm just gonna get the newer one. I'm gonna click on direct download, or you can add it to basket to download several ones at once, but I'm gonna click on that, download file, then open the file. And you can see it's not like it should typically be, which means that it should be with the exe file. Instead, it's sort of like this, kind of weird. So I'm just gonna go to downloads here, right click on it, extract all, extract. And now I'm gonna check in the x64 version if the application, if I double click on it, if it'll install the driver for me, or if I need to manually move it to the driver place. Yeah, I think I may need to load it manually. So if there's no exe file, instead of that, it's a zip file with all of these weird files, as you might have noticed here. Then what you should do is go to driver device manager. Now I don't really remember if it's like options. No, so I should go to the place where that fingerprint will be. I have no idea where the fingerprint is located. It's not here. Neither is it here, nor here. I don't really even trust this website that it has the fingerprint. But let's see, maybe there's not the security devices, not the smart card as well. So probably I won't find it. And yeah. Doesn't sound too good that I can't find it, because there should be a section where it says like the whatever connected with fingerprint, but it doesn't have it. So yes. Maybe this laptop really doesn't have one, and I'm really able to believe that. So let's just try to download something else so I can install it, so I can show you how to install it. For example, the Bluetooth driver. Of course, the newest one. Let's click on direct download, agree to the terms. By the way, there is technically an installation description that if you unfold, it shows nothing. So very cool of Fujitsu to do that. Now you can see it's being downloaded, and it's also the zip file. So I'm gonna open the file, and now let's click on compressed folder tools, extract all, extract. And in this case, I can see that there is a actually Windows installer program, which is the MSI file or wireless setup. I think I may click on that, but it has to be extracted before you start it. So yeah, in this case, you can simply just click on yes, next, and wait until it installs it. Next, accept the agreement. Now I'm gonna select typical installation, install, and that's basically it. But I still wanted to show you how to load a driver if it doesn't have the installation file. Instead, it has only the weird files and none of them opens. Then in this case, you should get to, like, for example, Bluetooth, and I think it may be the Intel wireless Bluetooth. Right click on that, update driver, browse my computer for drivers, then click on browse and find the folder where it was downloaded. So let's go to downloads, then the Intel Bluetooth driver. Okay, now click on next, and I have the newest already installed, but if there was a newer one in the file that you have pointed to, you could install it from here. So yeah, I'm really disappointed on the Fujitsu website though. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.